Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to this new video. So inshallah ta'ala in this video we'll practice reading and writing in the Arabic language. Okay, this video is for beginners who want to start learning the Arabic language from the scratch. So let's get started. The letter Ha. The letter Ha. We put fatha. Ha. 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 And then the letter mim. We put kasra. Mi. And then the letter dal. The letter dal. We put fatha. Da. Very good job. Now we'll try to connect the letters together. Let's start with the first one, the letter Ha. We put fatha. Ha. And then the letter mim. We put kasra. Mi. Ha. Mi. And then the letter dal. The letter dal. We put fatha. Da. Ha. Mi. Da. Hamida. Ha. Mi. Da. Hamida. And this is mean he praised. Okay? He praised. Ha. Mi. Da. Hamida. Hamida, very good job. So this word, it means he praised. Okay, excellent. So see you inshallah ta'ala in the next videos. Goodbye, ma salama.